in today's video, I'm gonna review this Camel fluid acrylic colors. So previously, I used to watch Instagram reels, and in those reels, they used to do something like pouring art and all, and I used to be very fascinated with it. But it's just that I didn't have that much money to invest in a pouring art. The paints are costly, the canvas is costly. So recently, I came across this Camel fluid acrylic colors, and I was like, it's cheap. I mean, I should try it and just see if it's good enough. So in this set you get 6 pieces total. 4 are the colors, 1 canvas and 1 apron for some reason. I mean, they should have included gloves for us, but they are very smart. So anyways, so let's open this up. Okay, look at it. And I don't have scissors. Okay, be right back.
One eternity later.
I got my cutter, my favorite cutter, because it's like very handy and very sharp at the same time. So goes. Okay. Open this bad boy up. It's a 8 by 8 inch or 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter canvas. It's a cute canvas, also the same thing. It's more like a plastic bag, but nice. Okay, this is not nice. What is this? Is this a joke? Damn. Okay, wait. I'm gonna throw this aside because literally I'm never gonna use this. So shit. Okay, also I'm gonna use this steel plate and some newspapers so that my mom doesn't beat me up. This plate, it's almost fits. So I'm gonna keep a plastic bowl or something so that it falls like below and you don't have to take a mess every time you pick it up. So let's just cut this and open it. And make a mix. So the colors that I've got with this are these 4. This is the black. These are not huge, so I am like doubting if they'll be able to fill this whole canvas up. This is the black, this is the golden, this is the silver, and this is the white. Right. So I'm thinking of making a beach scene. Golden I'll use as sand, black I'll use as water, and white and silver as waves on the water. I'm not very sure about it. I just want to try it before. Oh, it's like, has it dried or something? Why is it so thick? Is this supposed to be thick like this? Okay, anyways. Yeah, this is literally not pourable. What is this? Dude, I mean, is this meant for pouring? What is this? Okay, this was very disappointing. Okay, I don't know why this is happening, but I'm pretty sure that this is not meant for pouring. Maybe it's wrong with this one color, but it looks like poop now. I hope that this color doesn't turn out the same way. Oh, this is much better. This consistency is much better than that. But I highly doubt that I'll be able to cover this whole surface with this much paint. Okay, there's a splatter. Okay. I'm gonna do like with all the other remaining. Okay, this spores. That is okay. Should I just spread it with my hand or something? Now it's not pouring. Okay. I've never been so like confused in my whole life. Like, what am I doing with this? Yeah, the metallic ones are very thick. I prefer you don't buy the metallic ones. Yeah, except the gold thing, which I'm just gonna do this so that. Silver is not like as stiff as the gold, but it could have been better. I just regret using gold in this, I guess. This is just a very slow process. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside. Oh, okay, I'm gonna end this video with this. And don't buy it, please don't buy it. It's not like it says it is. Don't buy it, don't waste your money on this. So see you in the next video, guys, and do like the video and click that subscribe button. And see you until the next time when I will be reviewing some other art product, I guess. See you.